Hello everyone, welcome back to the fabrication shop. Today we're going to continue with our work on the Green Eggs rocket, which we're going to make look like a scrambler. We're pretty much going to follow the instruction sheet, and so today we're going to begin by taking the fins, separating them from the balls of sheet. One of the nice things is with today's kits, most of your fins and your wood parts are going to be laser cut, which makes it a whole lot easier to get them out of the balls of fin stock. So what we're going to do is take our knife, and you'll see where there's these little tabs, and we simply cut those, and it doesn't take much. And sometimes they'll come out all on their own, because there really isn't a lot holding the fin in place, just these little tabs. And we'll come over here and get our last one. And there you go. Very easy to get the fins out of the fin stock. You can see how the fins have a dark brown color on the edge. This comes from the laser that burns through the wood, leaves these burn marks behind. We'll want to go ahead and get rid of those burn marks. The instruction sheet calls for the leading edge of the fin to be rounded, all other sides to be square. So we'll go ahead and pull out our sandpaper and sanding block and start doing that next. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we want to sand our fins. All I'm using is a plain old block of wood with a piece of sandpaper wrapped around it. You don't have to get real crazy. We start by simply sanding an angle on the leading edge of each fin. And then as it gets close, I simply round that out. I'm using 220 grit sandpaper. Okay, I'm going to try to hold this up to the camera so that you can see. But that is the rounded edge of the fin. So the next thing I want to do is just lightly sand the rest of the edges, because I do want to get rid of these burned areas. This will also help get rid of those little wood tabs, and it doesn't take much. As you sand it, you want to try to make sure it's symmetrical. So both sides of the leading edge look the same. So now we have all three fins with the leading edges rounded off. We got the burn marks off the other edges. And this pretty much completes step one of the Green Eggs rocket. Our next episode will deal with marking the body tube, and we'll probably get into creating the engine mount. If you like what we're doing here, go ahead, hit the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel, and if you hit the bell, you'll be notified when our next episode drops. So until next time, wishing you all the best, and take care.